Alright, I just got this kit and this will replace all of the interior lights in my Jeep. So we'll get these guys in and see how it looks. Alright, so the best way I'm finding to get these out is getting a rubber band, just like this. It's a thick rubber band. And just slipping it over the light. I probably won't be able to get it now, but that's what it looks like. And then you just put pressure here and you just wiggle it, pull it out. I can't do it with one hand, but this right here has been helping me get them out. Alright, so here we are. Here's all the old bulbs. These two in the footwell were already aftermarkets. So those kind of just look the same, but I figured I might as well. But these, I'd say the rubber band honestly came the most in handy, because I don't know how I could have got some of these bulbs out without it. Like these ones here, license plate. These ones up here are so hard to get to. You just put that rubber band right around them, like right around the, I'd say like the neck of it right here. Pull the rubber band so that it's tight, and then get your fingers up on it, and then just wiggle it out, I'd say side to side. And they were coming right out, which was good, because as you can see, these are burned, and some of the ends were burned in. But yep, so I'll show you what a couple more of them look like. So it is daytime, but that white light just looks so much better. I think that's, oh, got the glove box. All right, so there's the glove box now. Nice and lit. This footwell, can't really see. I'll probably do another video tonight, but yeah, that was pretty much it. Definitely get you a rubber band. That'll make this a lot easier. This probably took me, I don't know, I'd say hour and a half. But if I would have known like how to get all these out and stuff, which most of them you just get a flat head up in there, jam that in, and these were the hardest because I felt like I was gonna break it the whole time. And then there's two like holding pins that slide in. These have the female, the light does, and then there's like the male pin that these just like C-clamp onto. And then these were the same thing. You just get your screwdriver, you kind of bend it, like, so if this was it, you bend it up into like a C, and then it would just pop out. And these right here, these were just straight lights. So these, you would just get your rubber band, put it around, pull it out, side to side worked the best. And yeah, I mean, that was pretty much it. Yep, thanks for watching. All right, here's a quick view of all the lights. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the glove box, 8. This one's just being touchy because I may have messed this up. We'll say it was someone else that messed it up. And then 2 more, 1 more, and then number 12 right there. It is literally so bright in here now, it doesn't even look like my back windows have tint, but they are fully tinted. These lights are like night and day different than the stock ones.